So what's it going to be? Gas, electric, or induction? There are a lot of videos on this subject, and honestly, why this one? Well, I'll get to that in 3 short seconds. Be right back. Hello everyone. Well, to tell you the truth, I have no idea what it is that you're looking for as you looked at and researched this particular subject. I've looked, and I know that there are a lot of different opinions out there, and that's just normal. We're all people. But the one thing that I really didn't find as I looked at the other videos and took in some of the opinions of others is really the answer to one particular question. And that one was, which one is better to cook with? Well, people have talked about it and they've kind of danced around it, but nobody's come right out and said, it really doesn't make any difference. Oh, that's probably heresy, with some other people who have made videos on this subject, but I'm here to tell you, it really doesn't make any difference. And I say that from the point of difference in outcome. In other words, if you're making whatever it is you're making on the stove, you're making some kind of sauteed chicken breast or whatever. So the question is one of those methods, one of those, gas, electric, or induction, going to make a difference in the end? And I say no, not if you're an experienced cook, not if you're familiar with that particular stove, whatever it is. Because in the end, they all take a certain amount and degree of getting used to and learning. I mean, I use electric, and I moved into this house about 3.5 years ago, and I had to learn how to use it and understand its quirks from the previous electric range that I had. They were different. They had different characteristics. And I have no doubt that if I switched to gas, I'd have to learn that too. But it's all about controlling heat and learning how to do that. I have to learn how to control the heat on my grill. And now that I have, it's really no big deal. But it is all about controlling heat that's going to make a difference in the end. So it doesn't matter what that heat source is. Electricity, either way, whether it's direct on a stove or whether it's induction or whether it's gas or whether it's the flames on a grill, direct or indirect heat, it just doesn't make any difference. Now, I will concede that there are a number of other reasons, and if those reasons are giving you pause or wanting to examine this, I say go for it. Because if it matters to you that one is more efficient, one boils water faster than the other, one is easier to control the heat, because some people certainly think that's the case with gas. I'm not sure I'm in that camp. I control the heat just fine with my electric. If I want to have instantaneous, no more heat, all I have to do is lift the pan up and take it off the burner. It works exactly the same as turning down the flame or turning the flame off. Makes no difference. So if a lot of those other reasons in the comparison between the three actually make some difference to you and make sense to you, then I say go for that particular one. Just don't let anybody try to convince you that one cooks better than the other, because they honestly don't know what they're talking about, and I don't even care whether it's professional chef. I'll just say that person is not a very good chef if they can't figure out how to control the heat between electricity and gas. All right, that's enough on this subject. I'll see you next time. For the time being, check out the links below. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and certainly come visit us at the Eclectic Cooking Academy, where we're all about teaching you how to cook like a pro. Thank you.